To begin, open the Alibaba app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Search for the video you want to download. Use the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find the video, tap on it to open the video player. Enjoy the video briefly. Now, look for the share icon and tap on it to see your options. Choose copy link from the options presented. This is crucial for the next step. Next, download a video downloader app from your app store. Make sure it's reputable. Open the downloader app and paste the copied link in the designated field. Select the desired video quality options available, then tap the download button. The download will begin. A progress bar shows how much is left. Once completed, find the video in your downloads folder. You're all set. Enjoy your downloaded video anytime and share it with friends effortlessly. Remember to always respect copyright rules while downloading content.